Circumference of a circle. A couple of words for you. You probably already know them, but I'm going to write them down anyway. In a circle, there is a middle point, and if I drew a line from one side to the other, straight through the middle, that would be the diameter of the circle. Okay, and if I drew a line from the middle, I can't pick up my line that I drew, from the middle to the outside, from the center of the circle to the edge, that is the radius. And what we're going to be looking at, finding the distance around the outside of the circle. The outside is the circumference. Okay, and if we did a measurement activity where we measured the diameters and the circumferences of a couple of circles, we would find that there is a pattern, there's a rule. The diameter of a circle fits around the circumference about just a bit more than 3 times. Any circle, any size, the diameter fits around the circumference just a bit more than 3 times, about 3.14 times, in fact, exactly pi times. And that's where the number pi comes from. That's how many times the diameter goes around the outside of the circle. So if I wanted to find out the length of the circumference of a circle, I could use a formula that says circumference equals pi lots of the diameter. Right? And you can put a times sign in there if you like, but in algebra we generally don't. So circumference is the diameter times pi, pi times the diameter. Because diameter is a bit clunky and all the formulas that you're going to use past year 9 are going to involve the radius, I like to write the formula in terms of the radius. Now there's 2 radiuses in a diameter. The radius is half of the diameter. So 2 radiuses times pi. Actually, we write it the other way around for some reason. 2 times pi times the radius, which is exactly the same as writing diameter times pi. We've got 2 radiuses times pi. I like this formula better, and one way or another, I want you to stick to one formula while we do this, and it's gone purple. How can I fix that? Oh. Anyway, I'm going to write that formula down here a little neater. Circumference equals, turn that off, 2 pi radius. And that's the formula you're going to write every time you're asked to find the circumference of a circle. This circle has a radius of 4 centimetres. So to work this out, you're going to put in your calculator 2 times pi times 4. And you will get an answer that is 25.13. 25.13. This is a linear distance around the outside of the circle, so it is in linear units of centimetres. Sometimes you will get a circle with a diameter of 7.6 metres. And you are going to write down the formula, and I want you to use the same formula either way. 2 times pi times the radius. So first you've got to work out what the radius is, which is half the diameter, which is 3.8 metres. 2 times pi times 3.8. And that comes to 23.888. 23.88 meters. Okay, we're going to do one more and then you're going to go do some. Circumference equals 2 times pi times radius equals 2 times pi times 1.4 equals 8.80 rounding. It had 8.796, but we're going to change it to 8.80 meters. You should be able to find your pi button somewhere down the bottom of your calculator. Mine's there next to just above the exponent button, so I need to press shift, which is up here. I need to go shift and then press that to get pi. Your calculator is probably different, but make sure that you can get those answers out of your calculator for those 3 questions, and then you should be right to go and do some more.